Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to restrict group chat and Messenger. Open up the Messenger app. Go into Privacy and Support. You can see the report option here. Then open a chat with your friend. You can restrict the friend by clicking on Restrict option. Then open up a group chat. Click on Mute Notifications. Tap on Mute Message and Call Notifications. Then click on Next. Now select the time for which you want to mute the message. Then click on Mute. As you can see, the group chat I have muted. Click on the three dots, then press the Archive Chat option. The group chat will be completely hidden. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.